Welcome, fellow travelers with a taste for the unusual. Today, we're embarking on a tour of the world's most peculiar and offbeat museums. These extraordinary places celebrate the quirky, the unconventional, and the downright bizarre. So, if you're ready for an adventure off the beaten path, join us on this fascinating journey. Our first stop takes us to Reykjavik, Iceland, home to the Icelandic Phallological Museum. Here, you'll find an extensive collection of, you guessed it, penises. From whales to walruses, this museum explores the world of phalluses in a surprisingly educational way. Heading to Boston, Massachusetts, we arrive at the Museum of Bad Art. This museum celebrates the worst of the art world, showcasing pieces that are, well, so bad, they're good. It's a testament to the beauty of imperfection. Next, we venture to Avanos, Turkey, where you'll find the Avanos Hair Museum. Located in a cave, it's filled with thousands of locks of human hair. Why? Local legend has it that a woman left her hair here as a token of love, starting a quirky tradition. Zagreb, Croatia, is our next destination, home to the Museum of Broken Relationships. It's a poignant collection of mementos from failed relationships, each with a story of love and loss attached. Prepare for an emotional journey. Our fifth stop brings us to Fort Mitchell, Kentucky, and the Vent Haven Ventriloquist Museum. This place is a treasure trove of ventriloquist dummies and memorabilia. If you've ever wondered what nightmares are made of, you are in for a treat. In Los Angeles, California, we find the enigmatic Museum of Jurassic Technology. It's a place where fact and fiction blur, with exhibits that will leave you pondering the boundaries of reality. You'll question what's real and what's not. Our penultimate destination takes us to Austin, Texas, where the Museum of the Weird lives up to its name. This place features all things strange, from bizarre creatures to sideshow oddities. Step right up and embrace the weirdness. Our final stop transports us to Leeds Castle in Kent, England, where you'll find the Dog Collar Museum. This charming museum showcases the history of canine fashion, featuring centuries-old dog collars from regal to ridiculous. And there you have it, fellow adventurers. These are just a handful of the world's odd and offbeat museums that await your visit. So, whether you're fascinated by phalluses or captivated by the bizarre, there's a museum out there that's perfect for you. Which one will you explore first? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more unique travel experiences. Until next time, keep exploring.